I pass out on the floor now, baby, you won't bother me no more. And if you're drinking, well, you know that you're my friend, and I say, think I'll have myself up here. Thanks a lot for watching us, you guys. We are the Real Big Fish. Maybe someday I'll think of what you say. Maybe next time I'll remember what you do. She looks like heaven, but baby, this is hell. Said you do it all again. Promise not to tell. If I get drunk when I pass out on the floor now, baby, you won't bother me no more. No, she said, it's okay, boy, cause you know we'll be good friends, and I say, think I'll have myself a beer.